Yo ho ho! What is going on, guys? Today in this video I'm going to be coming at you with an '09 Toyota Corolla. We're going to be changing the license plate light, because you know, you like to get pulled over for no reason sometimes whenever you drive without those, so save you the hassle of getting heckled. But let's get right on into it. The part number you need is 168. I got some Savannah, whatever it is. I don't know. I don't really care about the brand. Whatever brand you use, maybe you get the premium brand, maybe you get that brand. Who knows? But let's get right into it. 168. Don't forget it. And let's get right on into it. First of all, you need to pop the trunk. And to get to the license plate light, you need to come through the back. You just need to pop these little pins out. They're very easy to pop out with a screwdriver. Like a flathead screwdriver, you just take it right in this little slot, pull it on down. I've popped 1, 2, 3, 4 on out, and then this piece just slides underneath here. You just want to pull it on out to slide on underneath. And then you see license plate light on the right hand side of the car, license plate light on the left hand side of the car. The next step is to pull this on out of here. Oop. Firmly grasp it, pull it on out, unplug it. Same side, there's a little like push in, like pin thing, push the back in, pull. If it hasn't been done in like 20 years, since this is an '09, then it might be a little tough, but I got those both unplugged, and then we got into the next step. The next step is grabbing it by right on in here and turning it to the left. And then it'll pop the bulb on out. If it hasn't been changed, and say this is an '09, you're working with quite some time, over 10 years of not being changed. It might be a little tough to get out. That one was actually kind of easy. Oh my gosh, turn it to the left. Like this one. Like sometimes you might need to get both hands in there to twist it. Maybe just because I'm right-handed, maybe I can get on in there and try with my right. Oh my gosh. Yeah, but that's tough. You just twist it to the right. I feel it turning a little bit, but you know how to turn it to the left. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Remember that. Turn it over and remove it. I'm gonna have to put the camera down to do that, but I'll get it removed. So it's just a little tough because they've been in there for 10 plus years and haven't been touched. But sure enough, with a little bit of elbow grease, it took both hands to go and do that. You get these two components out of the car. Since these are both the dead bulbs, it doesn't matter if you touch them or not. Just take them right from the top. 1 pop, 2 pop. Jeez Louise. Here we go. Now you have your two bulbs that are burnt out. You don't need them anymore. They're just trash. And then you have your 2 components. Take your new bulbs, open them on up. Be very careful when touching these. If you touch the actual bulb part of the component rather than just the base like this, you're gonna severely reduce the longevity of the bulb. But I mean, maybe you need to touch it a little bit. Who knows? But try your best not to touch it when you put it on in there. Slip it right on in there. If you touch it a little bit, maybe a little bit of greasiness on your finger might reduce the longevity of the bulb. But maybe we'll just replace these in a couple of years. Who knows? Hopefully not, though. Because it's not my car, but we care. And we got the bulb. Sneak it on in there. Clip it on in the component. Boom. 2 fresh bulbs. 2 Junko bulbs. And let's get back to putting it on in there. To put the bulbs back into place, just reverse order. Take the bulb component. You want this piece sticking out towards you when you go to do it. You want to put it on in here, right back into the same spot. A little bit to the left where you went to turn it. Gotta get it in the hole. You see, it's just a little bit to the left, and then you want to turn that right and stick that back on into where it's supposed to stay. To the other bulb. Looks like this. This is the back end, front end. Stick it on in here. A little bit to the left once again. And give it a twist, and you're all back in working order. And we're gonna finish it on up. Once you have these connected, simple as 1 click, 2 click. This one really didn't want to turn, but I'm just gonna leave that turned a little bit. So just to start off, just doing it backwards. Take this piece, slip it on underneath there. You see it sits right underneath this clip. And you take your little clippies that you removed, 1 and a 2, 3 and 4. That's how you fix the license plate light, and I'll show you that it's working. Alrighty, and when you turn on your headlights, you'll see the 2 bulbs illuminated on the passenger side and the driver's side. Now you won't get pulled over for bogus. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.